Right now, millions of drivers are slowly destroying the inside of their engine, one fill-up at a time. And the worst part? They think they're being smart. They're saving a few bucks per tank. They're using a brand they recognize. They're doing everything right. But here's what nobody at the pump is telling you. The brand of gasoline you choose doesn't just affect your miles per gallon. It determines whether baked-on carbon is slowly strangling your engine, or whether the fuel itself is actively cleaning it as you drive. And some brands on this list, the damage they're doing is invisible. It builds silently for years, until the day you're staring at a repair bill between $600 and $2,000. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at a gas pump the same way again. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Automastery, the channel where we give you the real information that keeps your car running longer and your wallet a lot fuller. Today, we're breaking down the 11 gasoline brands you should never put in your car, and the 5 brands that are genuinely worth it. This isn't based on price, it's based on chemistry, real testing data, and what actually happens inside your engine over time. Let's get into it. Section 1. The real problem. Here's something that will change how you think about gasoline forever. Every single drop of gas, at every brand, at every station, starts out exactly the same. It all comes from the same refineries. There's no premium refinery for Shell and a budget refinery for Murphy. It's the same crude, cracked the same way, going into different trucks. The difference, the only difference, is what gets injected into that fuel just before delivery. We're talking about the detergent additive package. Back in 1995, the EPA set a minimum standard for these detergents, enough to keep an engine from completely seizing up. But here's the problem. That standard hasn't been updated to account for how engines work today. Fast forward to right now, nearly 80% of every new American car runs a gasoline direct injection engine. GDI engines are more efficient, more powerful, and they have one fatal weakness. In these engines, fuel gets injected directly into the combustion chamber. It no longer sprays over the intake valves, and that means there's nothing to wash those valves clean. Without high-quality fuel detergents, carbon starts baking itself onto those valves like barnacles on a ship hull. That's why, back in 2004, BMW, Toyota, GM, Honda, Volkswagen, and Audi sat down together and created the top-tier fuel standard. Today, 12 of the world's largest automakers officially back it. Top-tier fuel contains 2 to 5 times more detergent than the federal minimum, not a little more, up to 5 times. And here's the proof from AAA's independent testing. Non-top-tier fuel caused 19 times more carbon deposits inside an engine after just 4,000 miles of simulated driving. 19 times. Think about that the next time you pull into a station to save 15 cents per gallon. You've probably filled up at some of the stations on this list without even knowing it. Let's go through them. Section 2. The 11 brands to avoid. Brand number 1, Murphy USA. You've seen these. They're almost always parked right next to a Walmart, and that location tells you everything you need to know about their fuel strategy. Volume and price, not quality. Murphy USA is not top-tier certified across their standard grades. They prioritize the lowest cost per gallon, and it shows in their additive package. Brand number 2, Walmart Murphy Express. If you thought Murphy USA and Walmart Murphy Express were different, they're not. Same fuel, same formulation, same low detergent package. 2 names, 1 problem. Brand number 3, Kroger. This one stings because Kroger's loyalty points program is genuinely good at hooking drivers. But here's what's happening behind the scenes. Kroger switches its regional fuel suppliers every quarter based on whoever quotes the lowest price. That means the additive package in your tank this month could be completely different from last month. That inconsistency leads directly to fuel injector fouling over time. No top-tier certification. Brand number 4, Quick Trip in certain markets. Quick Trip is actually top-tier certified in most markets, and they deserve credit for that. But in certain regions, their supply chain doesn't consistently deliver certified fuel to every location. If you're in a Quick Trip market you haven't verified, check the top-tier website before you assume you're covered. Brand number 5, Pilot Flying J.
Pilot Flying J is built for truckers. Their diesel program is solid. Their passenger gasoline? It sits at or very near federal minimum standards. This is a station designed for 18-wheelers, not for your GDI turbocharged sedan. If you're learning something here, smash that like button. It genuinely helps us keep putting out this kind of information. Brand number 6, Speedway. Speedway operates on a terminal cost model. They buy from whoever's cheapest at the local fuel terminal, and additive quality is simply not a priority in that equation. The result is inconsistent fuel quality across locations. Brand number 7, Circle K. Circle K is a franchise operation, and when you run a franchise with no unified fuel standard, what you get is wildly inconsistent quality by region. One Circle K might be fine, another might be running fuel at the bottom of legal limits. There's no way to know without testing. Brand number 8, GetGo/Giant Eagle. GetGo runs a heavy loyalty rewards program, similar to Kroger, and it's effective at keeping customers coming back. But they're not top-tier certified, and there are documented patterns of deposit formation in engines using GetGo fuel consistently over time. Brand number 9, Sunoco Standard Grades. This one catches people off guard because Sunoco sounds premium, and their Ultra 3.9 octane, that is top-tier certified, but their regular 8.7 and mid-grade 8.9, not certified. That premium brand reputation is actually concealing lower quality fuel in the standard grades most people actually use. Here's the part mechanics won't always tell you. It's not about octane rating. You can buy 93 octane from a non-top tier brand and still be running dirty fuel. And you can buy 87 octane top tier and be fully protected. Octane and detergency are two completely separate things. Most people have no idea. Brand number 10, Citgo. Citgo is a well-known name, which gives it undeserved credibility, but independent AAA testing is not kind to Citgo. Non-top-tier fuels like Citgo can produce 19 times more intake valve deposits than certified brands. Citgo only meets the 1995 federal minimum, nothing more. And then we come to the worst offender on the entire list. Brand 11, Racetrack. Racetrack has an enormous footprint across the Southeast, massive volume, convenient locations, competitive prices, and fuel samples that have tested at detergent levels near the absolute bottom of what federal law allows. That combination, huge customer base, lowest possible detergent package, makes Racetrack the most damaging brand on this list by sheer scale. Now, here's the flip side. Some brands don't just meet the top-tier standard, they use it as the starting line. These 5 brands are actively cleaning your engine while you drive, removing carbon that was put there by cheap fuel before. This is where the real value is. Section 3. The 5 brands that protect your engine. Brand 1. Mobile Synergy Supreme Plus. Mobile Synergy formula uses high-concentration detergents that don't just prevent new deposits, they actively work to remove existing buildup from your intake valves over time. If you've been running budget fuel and switched to Mobile consistently, your engine can genuinely recover. Brand 2. AMCO by BP. AMCO was relaunched and re-engineered with what BP calls active technology. In testing, it reduced intake valve deposits by up to 60%. That's not marketing language, that's a measurable outcome. This brand is particularly recommended for GDI engines, which, as you now know, are the most vulnerable to carbon buildup. Brand 3. Costco Kirkland Signature. Here's the value play of the entire list. Costco doesn't make money on fuel, they make money on memberships. So they have zero incentive to cut corners on additive quality. They use the same top-tier formulators as the premium brands, but because the membership model removes the profit pressure, they pass the savings directly to you. If you have a Costco membership, this is the move. Brand 4. Chevron with Techron. Techron has been around for decades, and it is one of the most thoroughly tested and proven fuel additive systems in the industry. It targets the entire fuel system, injectors, intake valves, combustion chambers. And notably, BMW officially recommends Chevron with Techron for maintaining their engines. When a luxury automaker known for tight engineering tolerances gives a gas brand a personal endorsement, that means something. Brand 5. Shell V-Power Nitro Plus. This is the one. Shell V-Power Nitro Plus sits at the top of every independent test we've looked at, but what separates it from every other brand on this list is the chemistry. Shell uses nitrogen-enriched detergent molecules, not just preventing new deposits, but actively bonding with and pulling out existing carbon deposits left behind by cheap fuel.
Independent testing shows Shell V-Power Nitro Plus removes an average of 68% of existing carbon deposits from engines that were previously running on low-quality gas. That means even if you've been filling up at the wrong place for years, switching to Shell V-Power doesn't just stop the bleeding, it starts reversing the damage. That is engine chemistry working for you, not against you. One more thing, and most people completely miss this. Even if you choose a premium brand, the station matters. Low traffic stations, the ones that sit half empty on a side street, can have fuel sitting in underground storage tanks for weeks. Those tanks accumulate water, sediment, and in extreme cases, microbial growth. All of that gets pumped into your car along with the fuel, regardless of what brand is on the sign. Always buy from high-volume stations on busy roads. Fast turnover means fresh fuel. That simple habit alone can protect your engine even before you factor in the brand. Let's bring this home fast. All gasoline starts the same. The difference is the additive package, and that difference can cost you nothing extra or cost you $2,000 in repairs. The 11 brands on this list, Murphy USA, Murphy Express, Kroger Fuel, certain Quick Trip Markets, Pilot Flying J, Speedway, Circle K, GetGo, Standard Grade Sunoco, Citgo, and Racetrack are not protecting your engine. Some are actively damaging it over time. The 5 brands worth your money, Mobile Synergy, Amoco by BP, Costco Kirkland, Chevron with Techron, and Shell V-Power Nitro Plus, these are the brands that clean your fuel system while you drive. One fill-up at the right station costs you maybe 10 to 20 cents more per gallon. One cleaning appointment for a carbon-choked GDI engine costs you $600 to $2,000. The math is not even close. If this video saved you money or taught you something new, drop a like. It takes 1 second and it genuinely helps this channel grow. Subscribe to Automastery so you never miss another one of these breakdowns. And I want to hear from you. Which brand on that avoid list surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one. Drive smart. See you in the next one.